Do you like to generate such beautiful images or art visuals? Or even change your image style easily only by one click? This one is really cool. Even face swap with high quality? I became a famous football player. The sponsor of this video is FlexClip, an online video editor platform. In case if you missed it already in this video, I introduced fantastic AI-powered tools for video editing. However, recently, FlexClip Platform has been updated to include almost all AI tools needed to transform your images easily. Let's try them. AI text to image. We need to write a prompt. But before that, let's be surprised by AI. Inspire Me button will give you a short prompt. From style, choose photo, and generate. If you click on AI prompts, you will get two interesting options. Improve prompts, get prompts from images. Let's test improve prompts. Now we have edited version of prompt. Generate. Beautiful. To write your own prompt, I suggest to use ChatGPT. And one trick is to push AI to its limits. Give me more interesting or beautiful or engaging prompts. Let's paste the prompt. And boom, beautiful. AI image to image. I uploaded this image that already I generated by FlexClip text to image option. As you see, you can choose different styles. Anime, painting, 3D, and stylize. Choose claymation. Very beautiful. Let's test watercolor 2 style. Fantastic. AI old photo restoration. Since I did not have an old photo, I asked ChatGPT to give it to me. Turn on AI photo colorizer as well. And change Upscaler to 3x. Fantastic colors. Now if you magnify the image, the quality will be preserved. Let's try AI image upscaler. Look the details clarity after upscaling. AI image extender, a board with papers, pens, etc. I like to have two options. Generate. We have extended image in 4 directions. AI face swap. First, I will try the platform examples. Good. And now I will make Biden or Trump as famous football players.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.